It is hard po talaga, lalo na kapag wala kang history sa programming po.
Hey National Audience, this is Ask NU. I am Bea Lorenzo with...
I'm Adel from BS Information Technologies.
We're back to answer the frequently asked questions now for the programs here in NU Manila. So what skills can you gain as a BSIT student?
BSIT students will gain programming and coding skills, database management, system designs, and web and application developments.
But BSIT has specializations. Can you enumerate those?
In BSIT, we have two specializations, MAA, which is Multimedia Arts and Animation, and then MWA, which is Mobile and Web Application. Sa MAA, we're on creatives po talaga. We also do animations here where you will create your own character, tapos saka mo siya i-animate. And we also have audio engineering here where you will create your own music. While sa MWA naman po, more on creating or developing systems or websites. We're also creating innovative applications. Pero lahat po ng resources here is provided po ng NU sa each specializations.
If you're a beginner, mahirap ba siya?
Yes po, actually it is hard po talaga, lalo na kapag wala kang history sa programming po. Pero NU provides a easy to understand naman po na instructional materials and of course, mga laboratory activities po na easy to understand. Kudos po talaga sa mga professors na very patient po sila and understanding sa mga beginners pa lang sa programming. Sa department po namin, we also have CCIP societies and CCIP student council na pwede mong puntahan for your support po and other IT-related po na organizations.
May pino-provide ba si NU na support in terms of certifications or tech training?
Yes po, marami actually. Students are encouraged po to take part sa mga technical trainings or workshops po. Pero ang pinaka-perks po talaga dyan is yung testings po na pinapatest sa amin where we can acquire valid certifications po that we could use for our future profession.
How about naman yung mga internship or real-world training?
BSIT students undergo po sa mga OJT or internships po sa mga IT companies, offices, and other tech-related po na organizations. Kapag nasa internship era na po tayo, ang magiging environment po ng workplace po natin is related po sa specialization na pinili natin.
To aspiring BSIT students, ano naman masasabi mo?
To all aspiring IT students out there, your digital journey starts at National University.
Paano maging BSIT student sa NU Manila?
You may register sa NU Quest and submit the required enrollment documents for evaluation.
That's it for Information Technologies here in NU Manila. I am Bea Lorenzo with...
I'm Adel from BS Information Technologies
For Ask NU!